Before anything, I'd like to give you a quick demonstration. So let's go to this channel, YouTube channel over here. And as you can see, the latest post here is this one, identifying objects in a video with Python, posted 1 day ago. Now, what I'm gonna do is I want to run a script over here and see what happens. So let me run this simple script with Python. So basically, this script, it generates a completely brand new video. And I have no idea about it. I don't know about the title, about the content. I don't know about the thumbnail. I know nothing about it, but I know that it's about Python and machine learning and this sort of stuff. And the amazing thing about this is that after this script, when it's done, it automatically uploads the video to YouTube. And this is the amazing thing about this. So let's wait a little bit longer. This is basically the editing part, which takes a lot of time because it's based on your resources, your local resources, RAM, CPU you have. So it depends on the machine you have. It can be more or less. Now you can see that it's uploading the file to YouTube, completely automatic. And now let's check the channel. Now let's go to the panel and check the video there to see if it's there or not. Because sometimes refreshing the page doesn't work because it takes time to actually process the. And yes, here it is, the new video uploaded to YouTube. You can see that I can click on this and watch it in YouTube actually. So here it is.
In this video, I want to show you how you can implement a really interesting task with Python step by step.
And it's amazing. You can see.
But first, let's.
The title is how to use function sets in Python with practical example. And if I go forward,
special method,
you can see that the whole
that allows you to define how
the whole explanation, the whole code here, you can see it's all from AI, basically ChatGPT. So everything has been done in an automatic way and I did nothing at all. I just executed the code and that's all.
how an attribute is, how you can use in than 100. Define the myClass set _ log.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the like.
So now in this video, I'm gonna rebuild the free code for you so that you can actually use this tool to generate videos. However, it's a little bit limited because the whole code was a little bit messy and it was complicated. But this free version is quite good. Actually, you can generate a whole video. The only part that is missing is this part that I talk, basically, but the rest is there. So you can generate a video with this stuff, with the, the task, the answer, all the voices, all the texts and codes, everything is there. And also from the free code version, the uploading part is missing. I will publish another code with more tools and more functionalities later, but for now I think it's enough and it's easy to work with. So let's start to see how we can use this code in this video. I'm not going to explain different parts of the code. I've already done that in multiple videos, so you can watch those videos to understand how the whole thing works. But rather in this video, I'd like to share with you how you can download the source code and how you can run it and use it for yourself. And there are a lot of configurations that you can change the video, change the concept. You can come up with, JavaScript videos. You can come up with a completely different topic at all. It can be a different framework or some other languages and topics. So it's not limited to Python and machine learning. So let's learn how we can do this here. If I go to the page and check it one more time, we should see it there. And yes, here it is. Got posted 4 minutes ago, and it's amazing. And in reality, actually, I have this code running in a server. I wake up in the morning and I see that I have 4 new videos on my YouTube channel, and it's amazing. Now let's see how we can use this code. So the very first thing you need to do is downloading the source code with the assets. So copy the link in the description, and which is this link. This is my website. Actually, it's not ready yet, but well, it's good enough for you to download the code. So when you come here, you need to actually create an account here, which is free, completely free. Go to my account over here, and the only thing you need to do, just enter your email address. I enter my email address here. Then the password setup page will send to your email. So you will receive an email like this. So you just need to basically open this link, and then you can set the password for yourself. Really easy. And then after that, just log into your account. Now you need to come to basically the link below in the description, posted for you, or actually you can go to the main page and then click on this item over here. So as you can see, it's free of charge. So feel free to click on add to basket and then go to your basket here. Basically, it likes buying something online, but it's free of charge. So you don't need to give your credit card, or you don't need to pay any money. So after that, proceed to checkout, and that's all basically. You can select your country, and that's all. Then after that, place order. Now you should have the link in your account. If you go to my account and then go to downloads, here you can see that you have the link for download. Click on that and then save it somewhere. I want to save it in downloads right here. So now it's in zip format, so you need to extract files or open it and copy and paste it wherever you want. This is all the code you need to run this tool. You can have VS Code, for instance. Here I have the project available. Now it's time to actually set up the actual project. You need to install Python, you need to install the libraries, and then you can use the script. So let's do that. The very first thing you need to do, download and install Python. Installing Python is really easy. I'm not going to explain it with details, but you can say that Python, well, basically download Python. If you are on Linux, there's a chance that you have already Python installed on your computer. If you're in Mac, or also I think Mac already has Python, but if you're on Windows, you need to install it. And you go to the main website, and here you can see Python for all kinds of OS. If you're on Windows, just download it and install it. It's really simple. If you can't install it, just search on YouTube for it. Since I'm using Windows, here I use WSL, which is actually Linux inside Windows. And I really prefer to use this WSL because it has the Linux terminal already, so it's really easy to work with. But it doesn't matter, you can work with CMD as well, or you can work with other shells. Now, after installing Python, the very first thing you need to check is checking that you have Python already installed. So you can just say Python, or maybe Python Yeah, I have Python already. That's fine. And actually, I use environment, Python environment here. It's not really important. You can go ahead with the simple version of Python. You don't have to use environment at all, but just make sure that you have Python already installed. Now, what you need to do is installing all the packages and modules that are needed for this project. So you need to say python -m pip install -r requirements, because already I have all the modules installed on my computer, so there's no need to install them. But if there is some modules that are missing, you can just say that pip install and install the module, or you can ask me in the comments so I can guide you. So now that you have projects ready, you can start using that. Let me run this script. So the only thing you need to do, just run this script over here. Um, generator file, generator.py, Python. Okay, now there is two steps remaining. The first one is that actually you need to sign up to OpenAI and get an API key. And I have to say that it's not free. You need to pay some money for that. There is no free version of that. If you want to use APIs, it's not a huge amount of money, but you need to actually give your credit cards information. And the second one is for Google Cloud Services, because we want to convert text to speech. So we're using Google Speech for that. So this is two steps you need to do, and I'm gonna guide you to do that. So go to OpenAI panel or dashboard, basically. Let's see. Yeah, here login platform is platform or OpenAI, and here you can use your Google account. Then after that, you need to go to API keys. So basically, first you need to add your credit card information and apply to OpenAI services, and then here you can get secret keys, and you just need to create a new secret key and copy it and paste it over here in this document here. OpenAI API key, you need to paste it over here. It should be something like this actually. Just need to save that. And then now it's time to add the Google speech service to this. So you need to go to Google speech service, and here after giving your credit card information and signing up for Google Cloud Services, it's a long story. So if you are confused how to work with this, I would suggest that you watch other videos on this topic specifically. But I'm going to cover all these steps, smaller steps, in my basically VIP video. I'm working on that. It's not released yet, but I'll let you know as soon as it's ready. It will be on my website, and I will let you know by the email you enter for getting this free version. So don't worry about that. So you need to go to console and API and services. So here we have Cloud Text to Speech API. Go to credentials. And then here you need to create all of 2.0 client IDs. Here you need to create one of these, basic with create credentials. And then you need to download this script, and then you need to put it over here. It should be something like this. So after having this, now run your program one more time. To understand the whole process and how this program works, there are a couple of videos already are created, so please watch them. This video just was explaining how to use this free tool. Okay, now the video is ready and we need to look for it here. No git outputs video, this one. So I just need to come here, outputs, and you can see that there is only one video over here. Okay, here it is, our video, and I just need to double click on that and
Identifying the key features of a real estate agent. 1. Import the necessary library. Assuming the real estate data is stored in the text, names and accounts, along with estate agent.
so you can see the whole video is completely generated by AI, ChatGPT, and other tools, and you can configure it in a way that you want. So for instance, you can come here in the generator script over here, and you can see that there is a task description. I said that give me a list of 100 machine learning tasks that can be done with Python from easy to difficult. And only the question, every line, one task. So basically, with this one, you come up with 100 learning tasks, machine learning tasks. Then based on these titles, it can actually pick one of these titles and then create a video based on that. And for the answer description, you can have write code in Python for this task step by step with explaining each piece of code. So you can change this to be, instead of machine learning, a front end something, a back end application. You can change Python with other languages, anything you want, JavaScript, any language you want. And also you can change the conversion for the description. And also you can change the background music, or you can change the background image we have. So basically it's an open code and you can do all sorts of things with it. If you're a Python developer, it should be really easy for you to work with this. But if you're not really a Python developer, so that should be fine that you just run this code and execute this code and change this description over here. So that was pretty much. If you have any question, please ask me in the comments. It takes hours and hours to explain all things here, so I'm gonna come up with a more in-depth video, and actually I'm gonna work on the tool. So as soon as I'm done with that, I'll let you know. I have your emails. I'll let you know about this, so you can have an advanced tool to generate videos and actually upload the video directly to YouTube. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please, if you haven't joined my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and please hit the like button or leave a comment for me. Thank you for watching. See you.